Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we're creating a monthly theme journal page. So this is a page in your journal where the month starts. It's April. I'm just gonna do one page, not a full page, and I have these cut out. Okay, it does not fit here, so I guess we're gonna have to do a whole page. For some reason I thought these would be smaller. Anyways, so this is my first step. Second step is I'm gonna give these some shadows. I need a scrap paper to put underneath, and then I'm gonna use a slightly darker green and give these shadows. There you go. A little here. A little bit of shadow. Alright, that's it. So we gave it a little bit of a 3D shadow. This month's theme is gonna be all things green. Starting with gluing April down. Using this because it's so thin and it can go into any little detail. You can also grab it by hand. I just feel a little safer when it's something so small. A is done. Alright, that looks good. So as I mentioned, this is a green themed month. I've got 2 green themed rolls for starters. And then over here, I have this girl in a green sweater. And she kind of looks like me because I just dyed my hair all brown. So I'm going to put her, that's funny, I'm going to put her over here. So we'll fill out this space. Got her out. Alright, and she will go right here. April. Oh, it almost sounds like it's her name. Ooh, I'm excited for these. These are pretty big, and what I love about these is they have so many details on there. Ooh. Oh, we have like a nice green outfit too, but I went with that for now. What I want from here, I really like these succulents, so I'm gonna take those for sure. Okay, so first these succulents. I'm gonna put that right here. And I was gonna do just like a half page like this, but the sentiment came up a little too big, so I'm just gonna do a round one. So the other one is avocado everything. Okay, excited. Alright, I definitely want this, so I'm gonna cut that out right now. Looks cute. Then I want both of these. This is a beautiful washi. The flip-flops, because summer is coming. This box of avocado. It's very cute. All the other avocado themed I cut out, they don't really have avocados in it. There's just like a little drawings, but this one actually has the actual avocados. And I also really like this. So it's just gonna be a lot of green stuff today, no coloring. See, I could cut out wherever I like without having to ruin the whole washi. So these big ones they cost a little bit more. Well, they're expensive, but there's so much going on here. I love it. Alright, I'm gonna arrange these randomly. This one is gonna go over here. This avocado is going up here. This is gonna go in the corner right there. The flip-flops are going into this corner, middle. This I'm putting right here, and then this one gonna put it right here. And then something in the middle. I think it's very pretty. And it should be in the middle. Alright, so let's pick out some things from here. I like this. This looks cool. I don't really like anything else. I do like this one, but I have something similar already. I like the apple. This apple. I do not need an exit sign. The violin looks nice. Let's do this bag. Let's put this in the corner. The apple over here. And this bag down here. There are a few spots still available, so I have this sticker set. And I'm gonna pick out a few. Oh, I like this one. I will put this right here. Oh, right there. And then I need one here that's kind of like this way shaped. Oh, here is one shaped kind of like this. But I like this one too. I'll go with this one. That way, and then I need one more here. This is kind of blue, and this is kind of everything. These are a bit too small, so it's down to these. Oh, this is the same as that one. Oh, there's a sentiment. I like that. So I'll take this sentiment over here in the corner. And then I'll do this. One big one. And I'll go with the small ones next to it. Two small ones. Here's all the stickers and washies I used. If you know me, you know I like sparkles, so I have this green glitter glue. So I'm just gonna put a few dots next to each letter. This is not as easy as I thought it would be, but it will be pretty. It will take a while though. And then we'll also have to dry. I'm a little extra, so I'm gonna put a couple here and there as well. And then we'll come back when it dries. I am done with this. Just gonna let it dry. So this has not dried yet, but I'm gonna show you while there's still natural light coming from outside, because then we can see the true colors of these washies and stamps. I think they are very, very good quality, and like I said, I love the big washies because there's so many to choose from. Let me know what you think. Do you think this putting washies around there is a good idea? Or do you prefer hand-drawn and colored? Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic rest of the day.